Dear student, good morning to all of you. Here I am Manish Kumar before you with taking a new lesson. Our new lesson name is Every Drop Counts. As we know that the lesson from the lesson's name every drop count means एक एक बूंद की काउंटिंग करना. Let us see what we have to read in this lesson. Here you can see that the value of water. Here there are so many ladies gathered with taking their buckets and jars to take the water. Here it shows that there is water problem, water scarcity. That is why they had they have gathered at a place. Now you can see that water is very precious for all of us. In this lesson we are going to study about the water, usage of water, importance of water for all living things, check out the availability of water, role of managing water, to know some methods of water management. Under this lesson we have to discuss about this. Now the position of water, you can see that 75% of water is earth covered with the 75% of water, and 95% of water is in the ocean, and only 3% water is used for drinking, and 66% of human body weight is water. मीन्स जो हमारी पृथ्वी है वो 75% पानी से ढकी हुई है, और 95% वाटर जो है वो वाटर ओशन में है. केवल 3% ड्रिंकिंग वाटर है. इट इज़ सेड दैट द अर्लीस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ केम फ्रॉम द वाटर. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि दुनिया में सबसे पहले जीव का जन्म पानी में ही हुआ था. वाटर हाउस इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ फॉर्म एग्जिस्टिंग ऑन द अर्थ. वाटर में भी बहुत सारा लाइफ जो है एग्जिस्ट करता है, पाए जाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड वाटर बॉडीज. देर आर सो मेनी वाटर बॉडीज लिव्स इन द वाटर. द वाटर life is very funny today. You can do so many games, so many sports, so many enjoyment with the water. Here you can see that some are playing boat, racing, swimming, jumping, playing, skiing. All the things are happening. In India it is told that water is sacred. There are so many rivers which are understand that holy river, and their water is also understand like a holy water. You have listened the name of Ganga Jal. In the various rituals or ceremonies, the holy water of Ganga is used to pure the things. In very worships, Ganga Jal is very needed to perform or conduct the program. There are so many occasions on which people go to rivers and take a bath there and understand that we got pure. Water is also a means of transport today. Water का हम लोग ट्रांसपोर्ट मीन में भी यूज़ करते हैं. Water is also source of energy. You have listened the name about the Hydel project, hydropowers. Hydropower is what? The power which is generated from the water. The most abused material on earth is also the water. You can see that when there is garbage, when there is a drain, when there is heap of garbage drains, making the water so dirty. So this is the, we can say that this is the abuse of water. Now there are so many adversity like nature strike, like flood, tsunami. These are the things which devastated the all things nearby the water and bank of the sea or rivers. You have also seen in the newspaper so many villages in the rainy season and heavy rainfall. They also devastated the all things. So this is the nature strike, and we also know that the when there is less of water, then there is a so many problem. Here there is a land looking, there are so many cracks, person who is searching water, and there is a girl who is also very sad due to not having the water. Here some people are taking water from the drain, dirty waters, and using so many problem due to using of not good water. So the water is very precious and we should not waste them. So students, from this lesson we understand that there are many sources of water, and but we have to use, reuse and conserve the water so that the people can get benefit for long time from these water. Thank you. From now, next time we will study more.